With the AGON AGK700, we introduce you to the first mechanical keyboard from the manufacturer AGON by AOC, which is equipped with our MX RGB switches. Let's get started. As the specifications show, the AGON AGK700 is the current top model from the gaming gear lineup. The gaming keyboard features programmable RGB lighting, N-key rollover, anti-ghosting, a removable wrist rest, USB pass-through, and a variety of extra keys, among other things. Since quality and reliability are the main priorities for this keyboard, AGON by AOC relies on our MX RGB switches. So the AGK700 is available with MX RGB Red and MX RGB Blue switches. This gives gamers a choice between the linear and smooth or tactile switching characteristic with the signature click noise. Our model here is equipped with our MX RGB Red, by the way. The single key RGB lighting can be synchronized with selected AGON by AOC monitors and other LightFX compatible gaming gear. You can also set your own colors and effects directly via the extra keys on the top of the keyboard or via the clearly designed G-Tools software. There are also other comfort features available for gamers. To reduce wrist strain, the AGON AGK700 comes with a removable, softly padded wrist rest covered in synthetic leather that attaches magnetically to the keyboard. On the outer left side of the keyboard, the manufacturer integrates no less than 6 dedicated macro keys so that gamers can quickly and easily activate their favorite key and action sequences at the press of a button. There are more extra keys on the top of the keyboard for controlling lighting and media. A centrally placed rotary control knob allows for intuitive volume adjustments. A USB pass-through is located on the back of the gaming keyboard for fast and convenient connection of additional devices. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of the features of this gaming keyboard. Thanks for watching and see y'all next time. Take care.